مرحبا. We learned in the previous videos the lazy letters the as the, r and z as the. So this is the difference between the and the. So the, ra, za. And we are going to learn actually today the letter wa, and we are going to know the difference between wa as a letter and u as a vowel. They both have the same shape. How do I know them from each other? We will learn today during our lesson. So this is what I am learning today. And this is what I am looking for. And our letter is the letter wa. First, let's practice how to write the letter wa. You need to get a piece of paper, and it will be great if this paper is lined. It has lines, and you can start draw a circle and then a curve. Again, a circle and then a curve. You can start straight and then make the circle and then the curve. And this is how we write the letter wa, and the sound is wa. Now let's read the letter wa with the short vowels fatha, dhamma, and kasra. So we have wa, wu, wi. Again, wa, wu, like this, wu, wi. Now, what about the letter wa with the long vowels? We have wa, wu, wu, long one, we, wa, wu, we. Now let's have a look at the letter wa with the long vowel u. How do I know which one is the letter and which one is the vowel? Of course, always the letter comes first. If we are writing or reading from right to left, the letter always come first. And then the vowel follows. This is u, the vowel u. So we call it woo, woo. Like for example in the word ta-woos. It means peacock. Now I'm going to write for you a word that have the vowel u or the letter wa, and you need to guess, is it a letter or a vowel? The word wadi. Look at it. What do you think of this wa? Is it a letter or a vowel? It's definitely not a vowel, because a vowel cannot come at the beginning of a word. The vowel always follows a letter. So this one is the letter wa, and if you look here, it has its own vowel a. So this one is wa. It has its own vowel a. Wa-di, wa. Another word, duri. So look at this part. What do you think of this letter? Is it the letter wa or the vowel u? I'm going to say it again. Do. So it's definitely a vowel because of the sound, number one. And if you look at the letter da, it doesn't have any vowel on the top or under. So u is definitely its own vowel. So u is the vowel for the letter da. Do. U is vowel for da. Later we are going to see many words that they have the letter wa and the vowel u, and you can learn more the difference. Now it's time to see the letter wa at the beginning, middle and end of a word. And because wa is a lazy letter, wa will sometimes join from this side but will never join from that side. This is wa at the beginning of a word. And it will not join from that side because wa is a lazy letter. And the word is walad. It means a boy. This is wa in the middle. And see how can I know that wa is a letter, not a vowel? Look at the letter da before. It has its own vowel a. So wa definitely is not a vowel, it's the letter wa. And it has its own vowel itself. So the word da, wa, ran, spinning. The second word here in the middle, mouse. Look at the letter wa is joining here because the letter that comes before is a friendly letter. The letter ma is a friendly letter. We will learn it later. Can you know what is this accent on the top? We saw it before. It's sukoon. It's when I pause. Like I say, mau, mau. I pause. Mouse. So it's not wa or woo or we. It's sukoon. It's a pause. Mouse. This is how wa looks at the end. If there is a lazy letter before, so it's not going to join. And this is wa, how it looks at the end of a word, because there is a letter here is friendly and it's joining. And the word is dalu. Now it's time to find the letter wa and circle it with its own vowel. And this exercise will help you to know the difference between wa and the vowel u, because you might see the vowel u in one of the words. So be careful not to circle it thinking that it's the letter wa. Now take a few minutes, write down the words, of course from right to left, and then circle the letter wa with the vowel. Don't forget to stop the video to copy the words. Now look here at these words. So we've got here the letter wa with the vowel a, the short vowel a, fatha. We've got here we with the vowel e, so this one is basically we, and e has this shape because it's a friendly vowel, so it changed the shape when it joins. We have here wa, we have here the word wu, and definitely this one is the vowel u for the letter ra. And you know that you can read this word by yourself because we learned all the letters. Wu, ru, d, and it means flowers or roses. Wu, ru, d. Now here we have woo, and this one is we. Now it's spelling time. You can see here on the top the letter wa with different vowels. We, wa, 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 woo, woo. Now get a piece of paper, copy these words with the blank, and I'm going to read the words one by one, and you need to add the correct wa with the correct vowel inside the blank. Don't forget to stop the video to copy the words. Now the first word says خضروات. So the missing part here is wa. So which one on the top of this red wa is wa? So the one in the circle is woo. Next one is woo, rude. So it's here inside simple woo, 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 rude. Next one walad. So the missing part is wa, simple wa. وطن وطن. Last one وسادة. So the missing part here is we. I'm going to repeat the spelling one more time. خضروات طاووس ورود ولد وطن وسادة. Are you ready to see the answers? Now here are the answers. خضروات. So the missing part here is wa. طاووس. So the missing part here is woo. ورود. The missing part is woo. ولد. The missing part is wa. وطن. So the missing part is wa. وطن. وسادة. And the missing part is we. Now it's time to read the letter wa with the short vowels and with other letters to make a word. Now can you read by yourself the first line? أحسنتم. well done. أحسنتم. أحسنتم. Now it's time to put these parts with another letter to make a proper word. وادي. And wadi, it means the valley that is between the mountain. وادي. ورود. ورود. It means roses. واوي. So this animal we call it in Arabic واوي. Now can you take a few seconds and try to practice to read by yourself? أحسنتم. well done. Now we can add to our new words that we are learning every week. وادي. ورود. واوي. And earlier we learned, do you remember this word? Well done. زر. زار. أحسنتم. زار is a verb to visit in the past tense. It means he visited. زار. رز. رز means rice. Well done. Now you can read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words by yourself. Well done. Now next video is going to be the letter A.